Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial we are going to create a background animation inside of After Effects. We will not use any plugin and it is very simple tutorial you will learn in just a few minutes. Alright, before start tutorial please make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and like this awesome video. Alright, let's get started. Awesome, we are in After Effects. Alright, I have this tutorial composition. Let's first start and create a solid here. Name it as BG background. Click OK. We can change the color. I want to use this color. OK. Perfect. Now the first thing we need to do, creating shapes. So grab the rectangle tool. Let's change the color like this one. Click OK. We don't need stroke. So select none, click OK. Perfect. Now I drag and create a square here. That size should be enough. Name it square. Alright. So we will use a basic expression. It's very simple. So come here, press P on the keyboard, and by holding Alt on the keyboard, click this stopwatch, type wiggle, open parentheses and close parentheses, and type as 1 and 20. So this is the frequency, this is the pixel that the shape will move. So let's see the animation. As you see, it is moving. So you can increase this pixel as 40 and the wiggle frequency as 3. So you can use whatever numbers you want. Alright. I think it is a little bit too fast, so I put 1.5. Let's see. Yeah, that is better. So I want to use many times this shape. So Control D, duplicate and drag whatever location you want. So it needs time. Do the same thing as I did. Alright, perfect. Let's see the animation. We have a nice moving objects in our scene. Alright, perfect. Now let's select all the shapes, all the square shapes, and right click. Let's pre-compose them because we don't want to mess in this layer panel. So let's type square comp and let's move the all attributes into new composition. Alright, well done. Perfect. Now let's create another shape. You can choose, you can create whatever shape you want. I select ellipse tool and let's select the color as this one. And by holding Alt and Shift, create a circle. Perfect. Let's put this anchor point at the center of the shape by holding Control and double click pan behind. Alright, perfect. Let's name it circle. Alright. And again, we will do the same thing as we did for square shape. So press P on the keyboard and by holding Alt, type the expression wiggle. Open parentheses and close parentheses. Let's type 225. 2,25. Alright, perfect. Let's see the movement. Yeah, alright. Perfect, I like it. Now, as we did, we need to duplicate many times so that we can distribute on the scene. So I am doing this one. So select the selection tool and Control D, duplicate many times. Alright, perfect. Now again, let's pre-compose them. Awesome job. As you see, we created moving objects in After Effects. Alright, I want to show a quick tip for you. If you want to change the color of each shape, you don't have to go the composition and change this color separately. So we can use some basic effect. Go to the Effect and Presets panel and type Fill. Apply it. As you see, we immediately change the shapes, all the shapes. So let's select the color. You can select whatever color you want. I think this is a nice color. So we have this nice scene inside of After Effects. You can use as a background for your projects, and we did this animation in just a few minutes. Alright everyone, if you find this video helpful, please like the video because it helps a lot on YouTube algorithm, and if you want to see more tutorials, please go our YouTube channel and watch After Effects tutorials. In addition, if you want to learn a specific animation, please write on the comment section below so that we can see your requests. Alright, until next tutorial, take care.